Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about the trades and the setups, bi-weekly recap today, Wednesday ending, right? So let's get started. Just wanted to show what is happening and what to expect. First, my trades. We were expecting a pound weakness all along. And the last week I made new templates and charts and everything and sent out to my subscriber saying that, this week yen is going to get strong, pound is going to get weaker. So all yen pair will be going down and all pound pair will be going down because yen is just, is always on the right hand side. And except euro pound, pound is always on the left hand side. So pound gets weaker, all the pound pairs will go down. So based on that, based on the pound index, for example, let me show you the index chart, that how my pound index chart is. See, this is the pound weekly chart. I follow all the weekly charts, and I have made charts for every single currency index so that it gives me a clear picture, weekly and monthly chart. Monthly chart is this, okay? And so all the levels that, I have, which, and for example, 65, 68 is a key I wrote here, and then I send out. So if we go below 65, 68 or start towards going 65, 68, the pound will be getting weaker, and all the pound pairs except euro pound will be going down. That's the idea. So look what happened since this week started. All of a sudden over the weekend something happened. The pound started getting weaker, and then this is pound Aussie, sell right at the level. I forgot to mention the level here, which one, whatever it is. But you see all of those weekly and monthly levels, horizontal white lines. And usually I have written there, but sometimes I forget. So these are the couple of two entries here, one entry here, one entry here, all the way down to this level. Okay, pound Aussie, you'll see all pound pair. Pound CAD, you can see here exactly at this 77.80. And we start coming down, even though it's a late entry, but it went down way further than that. Pound yen, small trade, but again, nice entry here and gone. And then this pair went down much lower. I'll show it to you. And then it's still on the 26th, pound newsy. You notice all pound pairs because pound start going down, and I start moving with that too. This is again a couple of entries here and all the way down, but I couldn't close it on time, so it went up again, but then it went down again. So this is on the 26th of February, and then what happened is another pound USD. Okay, this is a sell order, all pound pair, because this is what happens. When the individual currency, if you can pinpoint that this thing is going to move. For example, here we have pound going down and pound getting weaker, all pound pair will be going down. So this is what happened here. And the next, now start 27. Similarly, I have USDX fourth wave going to the upside, fourth Elliott wave correction. And for that, wave A is underway and it is going up. So this is how I had it. And obviously, Aussie dollar index was showing some weakness coming in. So that's why here you have Aussie weakening and USD getting strong. Then Aussie USD will go down. And here's the sell order exactly at the level 78.70, all the way going to the downside. This 27 euro yen, again, like I said, yen index, if I show you the chart, it says I have the chart made, and it says that all yen pairs will be going down, and the yen index is going for 54.73 level to the downside. So with that, all yen pairs only down, short trade you will see. So 20-minute euro yen, you look nice and easy, just below 32.22 and all the way to 31.11, 100 pips, just like that. 27 on euro USD, again USD strength, euro weakness caused this thing to go down. Nice entry exactly at the wave. Buy the book trade. Pound Aussie again in play. You can see on the 27. This is my first entry I just showed you. So it came down. I closed the trade. It went up, and rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. This is this is all the time that happens. But you just have to see that which way you will go. You're not supposed to go long here. You know what I'm saying? If something is going down, then stay with the trend, and then wait for the retracement, and then again do the same, what you did before. So if pound Aussie, you will see all short, short, short. And again, pound USD, you can see here, this was my first entry. It came down, then it went up again. Opportunity came in, the setup, beautiful setup. This is my setup. This indicator is all the way up, turning to the downside, and then blue candles turning into red candle. The red candle starts, couple of candles, and I open the trade. And of course, analysis and levels goes along with it. 27 still, okay. And look, New Zealand yen on the 28th today. This drop I missed, but like I said, yen start to get strong, and yen is always on the right hand side on each and every pair. So all the yen pairs will be going down, and they did. Go check. Today, all the yen pairs dropped. And I caught this New Zealand yen all the way to the downside, and then Euro Aussie 28. This was an entry, and this pair is just wobbling and going sideways for the longest time. But still, I go short side all the time here. Lately, I mean, not all the time, but lately. Pound New Zealand again, pound in the play today. Pound start getting weaker a lot today again. This was my late entry, but it's still, nice trade, right? Entry should be here, but I missed this one. Then I took this one, and then still, look what, I should be getting in here somewhere. So like 20, 25 pip, no big deal. Still 85 pip, right from here to here. On the 28th, pound Aussie, again, you just saw this entry and this entry, right? Then it went up, and I let it go. I said, let it go where it goes. And it goes exactly to a big level, 78.53. Okay. And from there, look, sell. Again, this is also late entry, and it's still 130 pip. All right. From there, and it went down a lot more than that. And again, on the 20th, this is pound yen. This is this is actually the second entry. Where's my first entry? Maybe after this. So let me show it to you. Okay, this is the first one right here. Okay, this one, before, but this is the current entry right here, right? So it is going down all the way. And I even tweeted that, around these areas, be careful, 48.19, and then I think it's like 47.95, 96. So, around 47.96, it bounced, gave me another entry, and then drop again. Watch this one. See, this was an entry. This is the entry, the first entry today, all the way down to 47.75. It bounced from there and then came down to 46.95 level. Another 75 pips. So 150 pip then, and 75 pip here. Only pound yen today on the 28th February. So you see how many trades, almost like 16, 15, 16, 17 trades in 3 days. And, in the beginning was like a few trades were like small, but most of them like big trades, 100 plus pips. And this is the beauty of my analysis and the system. Analysis is very important. For example, let me show you if pound yen, let me show you the yen index chart. Okay, I'm not supposed to show, but hey, no big deal. And I have it written there. So that's why every time I see a short setup anywhere in any yen pair, I'll take it. You know what I'm saying? See, this was my chart I made that, this is what's happening. And from here, it's going to drop there. Now, if we go and take a look at this yen index right now, what happened to that? And it will tell you the story. So from the 16th, almost like 10 days, a week ago, I'm expecting yen drop. Look, see? So it was wobble a little bit, and then today, it start dropping. And when it start dropping, this is what happened. Yen, okay, here I have it. Look, I'll show you the monthly chart. This is my monthly chart of yen index. Okay, I made it on 16th and gave it to my subscribers and everything. What did I write here? Next is 54.73, which is this number, and it was up there and this was coming down. 53.70, I mean 54.73, 52, right? These two highs. And doing so, yen would be getting strong, sending most yen pairs down. So I was ready since then. You know what I'm saying? This is, I call, plan your trade and trade your plan. I do analysis, indexes, and individual charts as well. Individual charts, all those pairs, almost like 15, 16 pairs that I do. I have those charts made, templates that I give to my subscribers, and this was the chart, and this is what happened today. Well, this week actually, I would not say today, but this black candle is for 3 days. This is a weekly chart, so each candle is a week, represent a week. So last week was this, and then this is the one. This is the one. Is from 26, just is coming down straight. Okay, so more to come from yen index going down, pound index, yen index going down. Yen index is the opposite of all the indexes. Other indexes going down means currency is getting weaker. Yen index going down means yen gets strong. Okay, that's the only difference. But like I said, you learn all of these mumbo jumbo if you become my subscriber. So if you like what you see, then go on my website and subscribe and be a part of this group. And get all the system, the whole system, Magic Ivy system, to make precise entries. Very nice system. You look at this here. This was an entry. This was an entry. This was an entry. We don't trade indexes, but having this chart open, it actually gives you the pinpoint where the pair is gonna move. Yen short setup and then start going down means now yen start getting strong, and all the yen pairs will be going down. So you have to like pick and choose situation which one you want to trade. Okay, here the same thing. You start to come down, couple of red candles, and you go and start looking okay, should I go short euro yen, pound yen, Aussie yen. I missed Aussie yen because it dropped big time. But hey, enough is enough. 4 or 5 trades and that's it. I can't handle more than that. And look, this one beautiful. This was an entry. This was an entry. This was an entry. All of these, whenever the indicator is going up and then start dropping, it's an entry. And let me show you something. Well, I don't have a chart open right now, so forget about it. So, all in all, this is what's happening. Only pound yen, look at it. This is because of the yen index. You see the date here? 27 February, yesterday. Then this one, today. And then this one. This was an entry, it's like 27. It's coming down here. Close today here, 47.75. It bounced a little bit. Then start coming down, couple of red candles. I open another trade straight down to 75 plus pips again. So this is how easy it is if you learn it properly. That's it. Just the thing is to learn, and that's why I do webinar. Today I did webinar at 4 o'clock, and every Wednesday and Sunday, and sometimes Sunday move to Monday because if there is a big event or news coming on Sunday, so I want to watch that first before I do the webinar. So I switch it to Monday morning. Otherwise, usual schedule is Wednesday and Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern time. I do the webinar and I discuss and tell my subscriber what is happening, index, the charts, and which pair they should be doing what, which one to go long, which one to go short, and what to look for. And this is how we trade with this group. So like I said, if you like, just go on my website, subscribe, and start trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.